Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video, I'm going to be going over system.ai review. Alright, it's a all-in-one funnel building slash email marketing blogging software. Alright, and then I'm going to log out of my system and then show you the plans here. Wait a minute, let me go back here. So the different features. You have sales funnel, email marketing, website builder, affiliate program management, business automation, evergreen webinars, online courses, and blogging and selling products as well too. So you could build an e-commerce store, and here are all the plans. So once you click on the link, you could review the plans. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and log in. And then we're going to go over how to make a funnel here. Alright, so we're just going to go here. And then we're going to go to funnels, the funnels tab. Okay, and then we're going to click on create funnel. Alright, and we're going to name this funnel Web Talk 2. Okay, so down here they have different purposes. So build an audience, collect email addresses, and build your email list, sell, and custom, and run an evergreen webinar. So we're going to choose build an audience. Okay, so we have created the new funnel, and then we're going to go ahead and choose a funnel here. Let's see what we have. So we're going to go ahead and select this one. All right, and then so they have different options: save funnel step, view funnel step, edit page, and then change page templates. So we're going to go to edit page. All right, so the first in the headlines they have a hustler's guide to the galaxy. So we're pretty much going to change that, and due to time purposes I already have something that I created. So we're going to copy this, and I got this from Jasper AI, AI automated system, which I go over in other videos, and I'll tag that. But we're going to go back here, and then we're going to exit that out, and then we're gonna begin editing in it and changing it to the way we want it. Okay. All right. So we have that set up, and we want to make it aligned. So to edit this more, we're gonna go ahead and click on the gear. Okay, and then we're gonna make it centered. All right, and then we're gonna put some more information down here, and then we're gonna change this as well too. So we're gonna click on the gear again, just to edit this information. All right, so we're gonna clear that out, and then so I got this content from here, just copy and pasted it from here. And then we're just going to copy this. We're going to go back. And then we're going to put it in here. And then we're going to unbold it. And then we're going to put this here. So we're going to copy and paste again. And we're going to take that out. And then we're going to put that in there. But this time we're going to go ahead and bold it. Okay, so we're going to bold that. We're going to go ahead and change the color on it. So we're going to give it a dark blue. And then we're also going to go ahead and give this a different color as well. And then we're going to change the button as well too. I'm going to show you how to do that. And so what we're going to do is go to the gear again. We're going to go to the gear, highlight that, and then where it says get the guide, we're going to change that to sign up. Gonna go ahead and change that to sign up, and then we could choose the line height, go up and down like that, and then we're gonna choose the font size. So go like that. Okay, and then so the other thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and change the background color of the button. We're gonna go with a blue, with the blue color. All right, so we're gonna change that to a kind of like a sky blue. And then I don't like that rectangular shape, so we're going to change that as well too. So a quick way to do that, you just type in number 25. Okay, we're going to do 25 on all four sides. All right. And then I think we could increase the size of the button as well too. Let's see here. Or let's see, hold on, let's go up, increase the size. Let's see. So we're gonna increase the size of the button, just make it a little bit better. And then we could also take this out as well. So we'll just trash that. All right, so we now have earn money on social media by doing what you love, and then period, and then creating content exclamation point. Okay, and then it says, yep, earn free money, earn points for engagement, great content, and referrals that redeem for real cold hard cash paid monthly into your bank account or to your bank account. All right, so what we're gonna do now, okay, we could actually change the background picture as well too. So we're just gonna simply go to google.com. Oops, I messed that up. So we're gonna go to google.com. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and go to Pixabay. Okay, it's a free website where you could download different photos and pictures. So put in social media, and there's another way we could do this as well too. Okay, so I think this is a good one here. So wait, see if that was download that one. And then we'll just do the 19 by 20 and then download. Click I'm not a robot. So we'll just click that one and see how that one does here. And then we're going to click on the gear again. Okay. And then we're going to go all the way down here to background image. We're going to go ahead and select file. And then we're going to type in social media. And then we're going to go ahead and select insert. We're going to do, and then let's see, background. Okay, so that's how you will set up your background for this. All right. Now, if you are interested in joining for free, just go ahead and click the link below in the description. All right, and once again, thanks for viewing my channel and have a good one.